It's another mail day today. Join me today as I open up the new cards that I've got from Box Break and RAZZ Contest. What's up, NB Cards fanatics? It's me, Noel, and I'm back with another video. And in today's episode, I have a new mail, right, that I've got today. And this is cards that I've got from RAZZ Contest and Box Break. So let's see what's inside. Let's go. Right. So we have three mails. So we have from Marvin Malaki. So I think this is from RAZZ, from my RAZZ. We have from I don't know where is this from. This is from Aldrain Calderon. This one. I think this is for the Box Break. No, it's a RAZZ Contest also. And this one is from Bill Enriquez from Billion Box Break. It's a Box Break. So let's see what's inside. Here. This is it. Okay, this is from the Box Break. This is, I think this is course. We got clippers again. Always clippers. Right. This is the first kuan kanang status demo that I joined. And I just tried, but actually the new status demo has very nice cards. Check it out. Right? Okay. This is not the. This is from the raffle, the RAZZ Contest. So this is a free card. Thank you. Right? Free card. And this is the RAZZ Contest that I won, a draft style. So I got this too. Okay. Kevin Knox, Revolution RC, and Kevin Knox portrait, court case. Oh, it's numbered. Numbered from 199. Nice. Kevin Knox is a very potential player, and he's playing in New York, so big market. Hopefully, he'll have a nice season today. This season. Okay, set. And this one, I think this is the one from the Box Break. Yeah, this is it from Bill Clippers. This is the status demo. Yeah, and mosaic, right? So first card I have, of course, the potential rookie, Kabengele, right? RC, and we have this is the status Timol, new status Timol koan cards. Check it out, it's very nice, very nice. And the box set is not that expensive, but still cheap. Not that cheap, but if you join Box Break, it's much cheaper than other boxes. Right? Let's see. So first we have a Kawhi Leonard. Nice card. Kawhi. Nice. Shining card. Yeah. Kawhi. Next card we have RC. Oh, we have two cards inside. This is RC of Koan. Terrence Mann and Lou Williams. Oops, wag na baka masira. Yan. Okay. So Lou Williams, Terrence Mann, and Kawhi. This is one of the nice insert of status Timo. No? It's upper echelon. Kawhi. Nice. Right. It's the BB is high. It's okay. Bawing bawi. Next is a trophy club. Okay, Kawhi Leonard. And it's the Spurs. Yeah, my team. Yung na-champion siya sa Spurs. first championship, he became an MVP, right? So this is it. Trophy Club. Nice. Okay. So that's from the box break. Next is I think this one is from the RAZZ Contest. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. Okay. Okay, ito na. Right. Okay. This is from Marwin. Shout out to Marwin Malaki for a very nice contest. Okay. How to open. Right. So let's see who is it. Who's this? And up. Zion Williamson, my first Zion Prism RC. Nice. I won the. I got the second draft pick in the call this the RAZZ Contest. Okay, and the first player draft. I think it's green. It's a green Jamoran Prism RC. So I thought he'll get Zion because I want to get that Jamoran. But either way, it's a win, right? So my first Zion. Yee! The BV of this, I think it's kuan. Oh, dalawa pala to eh. An emergent Zion and Zion. Sobrang bawi to. Sobrang bawi. Forgot magkano lang yung spot price, but it's more than 100%. Okay, right. So these are the cards that I got right from my mail. So again, we have Zion Williamson Prism RC Emergent Zion. We have Trophy Club Kawhi Upper Echelon. Yeah, nice. Terrence Mann, Lou Williams, Kawhi Leonard, Kabengale, Kevin Knox, and Kevin Knox. Alright, so that's it. This is the cards that I've got from my Mailday today. So thank you for watching, and again, sa hindi pa na nag-subscribe sa video ko, please subscribe, and thank you for watching and continue supporting my YouTube channel. So please, again, click notification bell, and let's again continue collecting and investing. No, let's grow the community, okay, and let's enjoy and have fun with this hobby. Don't forget, it's still a hobby. Although you're an investment, and it's an investment, but still it's a hobby. So have fun and enjoy. Ciao.